Good day, Pinoy Clickers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we have one, two, three, Asawa ni Marie unboxing. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a bunch of Heroclix to look at. And we got this from Andrew, one of our acquaintance from Singapore. I met him for a Mage Night deal uh, on behalf of Sir Chris when I was in Singapore, and found out that he was also a Heroclix player and he has some old Heroclix figures. Okay, so we were able to work out a deal, and he came to the Philippines for a break. So I asked him if he can bring some of the items, and voila, here they are. So these are oldies but goodies. So hopefully we'll find some things that we will keep for our personal collection, and of course some things that we can trade and sell. Okay, so again, thank you very much, Sir Andrew, for the deal. So let's get into it. Starting off with the plastic. We'll start off with the smallest one. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick look at the figures. Okay, I'm gonna sort it out after the video. For our collection, we're gonna separate the X-Men related figures, and this we're starting off with Jamie Matrox. So I need this. I need a lot of multiple men. We have Franken Castle. Okay, interesting. And we have Bruce Banner. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Then we have Black Bolt, Inhumans, and a bunch of uncarded figures. Let's go through it quickly. Okay, I think there are cards here, so I'll sort it out. Jack Flag. Okay. So this one is Ursa Major, X-Men related. So put it on this side. We have Blob, Beast, Mr. Hyde, Aphrodite 9. Okay, I don't know what this set symbol is. Okay, but there she is. It looks like indie actually. Okay, so I might keep this figure. Let's organize it via how old it is. We have Howling Commandos. Okay. We have the Black Panther. Unfortunately, he has a throne, but it's not seated on the throne. So this would have been best if it's the ADW. But hopefully, this gets a legacy in the future as well. Okay, Peter Parker, Stonewall. This is going to be a long video, so I hope you are able to stay. If not, you can always pause this and come back to it. Wolverine, Iron Clad. Okay. Black Widow. These are really old, smaller scale figures. Adaptoid, probably the first iteration perhaps. Purifier, X-Men. Venom. Okay, that's a nice sculpt. Put it there. You have Puma, Hydra Agent, Diamondback, Shield Agent, Nurse. These are generic figures. We have a generic Mugger, Willow the Wisp. Interesting. Mentalo. Okay. Slingshot. And that's it for the plastic. So let's move on to the big box. Big box number 1. Ooh, so these are the carded ones. So let's probably just sort through the card so that it won't take a lot of time. You have Sin, Captain America. I think this is the legacy one. Crimson Dynamo, Nick Fury LMD, another Captain America, Strucker, Scorpio, Maelstrom, Inhumans. Okay, Gorgon. Okay, this is X-Men related, so I'll keep it here. Fixer, Ursa Major, was that the card for the other one? Dark Star, this has been legacied, so I'll put it here. Cobra, the Black Panther. Okay, so that's the card for the throne. Quake, Scientist Supreme, Scorpion, Falcon, Claw, Batroc. What set is this? Captain America, Nightshade, Viper, Sin, Dorman, Nick Fury, Hardball, Phobos, Super Adaptoid, Maria Hill, Richard Fisk, Nomad. Who's Nomad? He doesn't have any affiliation or keywords. Interesting. Captain America related. Red Guardian, Luke Cage, Mr. Hyde, Diamondback, Jack Flag, Mentalo. These are the ones we saw earlier. Shield Specialist, Captain America, Cyclops Phoenix, so we need this. And I actually see them here. Okay. So we already have this, but this might be better quality or condition from what we have, so we can swap it out. I see a Psylocke here. That's also GSX. Strife, Blob, Psylocke, Taro. These are all for me. X-Men, Purifier, Roulette, and Wolverine. So I do have, I think, all of them, but I have to check the quality of the cards that I have, comparing it to the cards here. Okay. Spider-Hulk. Is that a Chase? Okay. Sandman, the Spot, X-Ray, Solo, 6-pack. And I think I need this. Okay. Modox 11, Rocket Racer, Bullseye, Cardiac, Scarlet Spider. This one is the one that's legacy. Okay, so we'll put it on the side here. Then we have Iron Patriot, Novar, Scorpion, Vermin, Vector, Wolfsbane, Warpath, X-23, X-Men related, Black Cat, Anti-Venom, Ben Reilly, Norman Osborn, Spider-Man, Firestar, Chameleon, Carnage. This is I think the one that's been legacied also, but I don't have the legacy card. Ironclad, Molten Man, Iron Man, Will-O-The-Wisp, Puma, Prowler, Eddie Brock, Peter Parker, Spider-Man, Mager, Code Blue Officer, Nurse, Researcher, and lastly Symbiote. Okay. Although I see there are some like DC figures here. This is broken though, the dial. I also see some Invincible figures here. We have Invincible. I imagine they don't have a card. Okay, but it's good to have extras like this. Captain America, Ragnarok Surtur, Gertrude, Set. Okay, Set has been legacy. So put it aside. Oh, this one I like. The Spider-Man Thor. Put it here. Nico Minoru, Carolina Dean, Air Walker has been legacy. Molly Hayes. I think I need this for my collection. Destroyer, Venom, Songbird, Heimdall, Loki, Girl Loki, Sif, Daredevil, Ronan the Accuser, Owl, Gorillaman, Rocket Raccoon, Moondragon, Pluto, Star-Lord, Namora. I might keep this. Better a Bill. Okay, definitely keeping this one with Omega Flight. Bullock, Cornelia, Chase Time, Fandral, Balder, Thor, Asgardian Warrior, Bibist, and Valkyrie. A lot of Thor related. Phalanx Soldier, Marble Boy, Pip the Troll, need this. Jimmy Woo, Rock Troll, Kingpin, Bug, and Hand Ninja. Okay, so later I'll try to match them with the cards, the figures, take a picture, and post it online. For now, go back there. And finally, the last box that we have. This one contains some DC. The William Clockwell. Invincible. Bystander token. Okay. Guardians of the Globe team ability. Okay, so I'll put that in this box. And these are the DC ones. Hopefully, some of them will get legacy in the upcoming Lantern Legacy set. Miriam, Sodom Yat, Katmatui, Ultra Boy, Mano, Lex Luthor, Gates, Monk, Hal Jordan, Red Lantern, Daxamite, Lightning Lad. I think this has been legacy. Symbol Banging Monkey. Oh, I like this. Controller, Timberwolf, Universal, Emerald Empress, Ron Vidar, Shrinking Violet. There's no figure. Ravager. This has been legacy at least, and Lish and Gurim. Okay. So that's for the DC part. We also have here Larfleeze. Okay, Larfleeze rather. Let's take a look at this batch of cards. Cloak, Dagger. I need this too. Shocker, Spider-Man, another Spider-Man, and another Spider-Man. Shocker, Dagger. Put the dagger on the side. Blade, Doctor Strange, Johnny Blaze, Druid, Damon Hellstrom, Frankenstein's Monster, Living Mummy, Frank Drake, Werewolf by Night, Dracula, Dr. Voodoo, Cloak. These are old. Some of these have been remade already. Spider-Girl. This is like the legacy. So let's put that on the side. Demo Goblin, Lizard, Raven Hunter, Man-Thing, Satana, Hellstrom, Jennifer Kale, Ancient One, Carrion, Spider-Man, Baron Mordo, Madame Web has been legacied, so put her aside. Iron Spider's The Chase, and Spider-Man 2099 super rare. We need him because he has Exiles keyword. Okay, and finally the last is I think Hulk related. Thunderbolt Ross, Leader, Red Hulk. Okay, another Hulk, Bruce Banner, She-Hulk, Jameson, and Wolf. So hopefully some of these get legacies in the Smash and Destroy set. Punisher, Tundra, Abomination, The Leader, Scar, I need this, Savage Lad, Lyra, Black Tarantula, White Tiger, Daredevil, Matt Murdock's, Punisher. I hope we see another Punisher in Modern. Jigsaw, it's been quite a minute. Rick Jones, Hercules, Amadeus Cho, Red Hulk, General Thunderbolt Ross. I think one of these has been legacy. Doc Samson, X Factor, so we keep him. Daredevil, Shanna, Savage Land, Man Beast, nope. Wolverine, Ghost Rider, Kazar, keep him. Black Bolt, Hulk, Winter Hulk. This is the Chase, the Hulk Out Heroes, AI Marine Hulk, and Major Glenn Talbot. Okay, so as I said, a lot of items to look into. So which among the ones you saw is your favorite? Okay, so tell us in the comments, and I'm gonna go to match the card with the figures. Bye bye.